Hello there, I'm Kenobi and welcome to the Firebot version 5 tutorial mini-series. This is a 15 plus part series so you can find the information you require fast. Let's go. In this one we're going to be looking at the chat feed. Go to the chat feed. This is your chat. It's very basic at the moment, but if you click on the little settings toggle down here, you can chat feed enable the viewer list. You can select, if you toggle on off your view account, you then can select from a number of sounds that are already built in for if someone tags you, so they at you in chat, it will select that. Set the volume to how long that is, or set a custom one. Display if you want it compact or mod. Have an alternative background. You can hide deleted messages if you don't want to see them. You can show your GIFs in here. You can show your stickers in your chat feed. You can select if you're the bot or the streamer when you type, if you do want to type back. Thank you for watching. See you next time.